happy St. Patrick's Day. If you don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day, then happy Thursday to you. And make sure you stuff your mouth with some corned beef and some cabbage and enjoy this dip. Yeah. Please comment down below some video ideas, and I don't know which you guys want to see, so comment them down below and I will make them and reply to you. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe, and then also we need a fam or squad name. Right now someone did think of Kenzie Wenzie Squid Squad. I don't know if you guys like it, then comment down below if you like it, and yeah, enjoy your day. Make sure you eat your corned beef and cabbage. Or just the corned beef, because the cabbage is disgusting. And while you're at it, make sure you buy some nose pinchers for the cabbage.